In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lines and arrows to a design on Visme. Whether you're creating a presentation, infographic, or any other graphic design project. Adding lines and arrows can be a great way to direct the viewer's attention and clarify your message. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding these elements step by step. First, begin by opening the Visme editor. On the left-hand side, you will see a panel that houses various features. Here, you want to locate the tab labeled Graphics. This tab is your gateway to a wide array of graphic elements that can enhance your designs. Click on the Graphics tab to expand it. Within this section, you'll find various subcategories of graphic elements. For our purpose today, you need to navigate to the Lines and Shapes section. This area will present you with a variety of line and arrow options that you can choose from. It's a versatile toolbox, offering everything from straight and simple lines to more ornate arrows. Now, within the Lines and Shapes category, you'll specifically want to look for the Lines and Arrows or Custom Lines subsection. This is where you'll find the different line and arrow styles available for your use. Take a moment to explore the options. You'll find styles ranging from straight lines to curved lines and different types of arrows. Consider what best fits your design needs and select accordingly. Once you have identified the line or arrow style that suits your project, it's time to insert it into your canvas. You can do this by either clicking on the desired item or dragging and dropping it directly onto your canvas. This provides a hands-on approach that allows you to place the element exactly where you want it from the get-go. After you've placed your line or arrow on the canvas, you will see small handles at each end of the element. These are called endpoints, and you can use them to stretch or move the line or arrow to fit the desired space within your project. This gives you the flexibility to adjust your elements precisely according to your design requirements. Now, it's time to customize your line to perfectly match your project's style. When your line is selected, a settings panel will appear, typically at the top left or along the side of your screen. In this panel, you can adjust several important features: the thickness or stroke of the line, the color to ensure it integrates well with your overall design palette, and the line style, offering options like normal, zigzag, wave, or double. Lastly, don't forget about the endpoint styles. You have the option to personalize how the beginnings and ends of your line look. Choose between arrowheads, dots, or opt for no additional adornment. This level of customization helps in creating a visually cohesive and effective design. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to effectively incorporating lines and arrows into your Visme designs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and customizations to find what works best for you. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and happy designing!